Hi guys, we are here with our new video. You don't need to access infected sites anymore for unknown devices and drivers that are installed incorrectly and need to be updated. Now you can find and install your driver very easily, as we show in the video, with the hardware IDs in our video description. The only thing you need to do for the driver you can't find is the hardware ID you copied from the device manager as in the video. Paste it in the video comments and wait for our expert staff to send you the FTP link immediately. You can update your drivers by following the procedures I have done, and you can easily install the drivers that your computer cannot find. We provide this secure service to you thanks to YouTube. All of our expert staff are waiting for your questions about your tablet, phone, computer and all your electronic devices and are looking forward to answering them. In general, the drivers of the video card, Ethernet card and Wi-Fi cards cause problems for the users. We can install some of our drivers manually by showing the file from the device manager, as well as we can install some of our drivers automatically by running the setup file. I will show you step by step. In general, the drivers of the video card, Ethernet card and Wi-Fi cards cause problems for the users. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. We looked for a way out to save you from the trouble of downloading device drivers from infected sites. We have compiled this sharing video for you. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them.
You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same.
The most used, downloaded and updated drivers are already listed in the bottom description section of our video. If your driver is different, write it in the comments and the link will be shared with you immediately.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes. You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same.
Now I will show you the driver installation program automatically from the setup file. We can install some of our drivers manually by showing the file from the device manager, as well as we can install some of our drivers automatically by running the setup file. I will show you step by step.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.